My name is Stefan Leberts. I'm the operational laboratory manager for the CMP multi-laboratories here in Taunusstein. We are talking about chemical laboratories, and inside of the chemical laboratories we are performing analytical work for all business lines. So we are talking about food, packaging, product testing, environmental testing, and also some pharmaceuticals. Roughly 2 to 3 years ago, there was some movement in the market. We were talking about REACH and POP legislation, where the group of PFAS were expanded. And this was the point where we decided to move forward, to enlarge our portfolio up to more than 100 different PFAS itself. PFAS, a group of more than 4,000 different substances, and it's used in so many different ways. So it's very important to search where they are coming from in huge concentration and where's the path to get rid of them. And then it's clear the food is only the end. It's getting into the food by environment, via packaging material, or it's coming into the environment via industrial products. The next point, which is very important on analytical scale, is that if I want to get the whole picture, we have to talk about different chemical structures. And this is driving us into a problem as laboratory, because to get all these different PFAS done, we need all kind of different techniques to get a holistic overview about where the problem is.
So Stefan came to us because they were looking into a new system, very sensitive system, to set up a very sensitive method for food analysis, PFAS in food. So they decided to work with us. They see us as a valuable partner.
With Waters, we found last year when we bought this machinery, we found a really good partner in doing this topic. At the moment we are using the Waters TQ Absolute system. The potential of the system for us is that the sensitivity itself is very good. There are not many machines on the market which can reach this sensitivity, and the Waters system is bringing us the possibility to get the front end cleaned and switched very, very fast, which helps us to have a daily, very sensitive machinery. Together with the TQ Absolute, Waters pushed out a new software, completely new scale, completely new setup.
We also had the opportunity to optimize our newest software product, Waters Connect, for quantification, as they provided feedback for us to what features might be missing, what needs to be improved, and with the new way of programming this software, it's very easy to implement it within a short time frame.
We came together with the program managers to give them really the big bucks, and it's getting a really good, comfortable software. The support we got from Waters was one of the reasons why we chose this relationship for this project.
There is a huge team of application chemists in the Vector, and they're working on especially PFAS applications, and it's always a pleasure to hear customers knowing even the name of our application specialist like Carrie Argentini. She's the face of PFAS in Waters. But also regional support is very important to be very fast reactive in case of any problems.
I talked about our goals with the machine. These goals are reached.
So the new Xevo TQ Absolute is not only the most sensitive mass spec on the market for tandem quads, but it is also very cost effective for a lab to run, as it consumes much less power compared to other vendor systems with the same performance range. And that is a good thing, because labs save money for energy costs, and it also helps them to reduce their CO2 footprint. That's what makes Waters special, and that's what we stand for: quality and support.